Welcome back, Lisa here. I hope your installation went flawlessly. Let me thank you again for joining our beta test group. First, log into the app, with email address given to you in the recent email, and then, the password. Then click the Log On button. When this screen appears, tap anywhere on the screen. Now, tap on the blue Xactimate icon in the top left corner. When this screen appears, tap on the Property Inspection Survey, the one on the far left. As you can see, we are continually updating the app, so some items' names might have changed. Part of the screen is a required estimator's ID and email. These fields are mandatory. We have placed all the administrative fields we believe that are necessary. If you need an additional field, let us know. When you have added all the administrative information, just tap the Close button to return to the table of contents. Here is the information we will be using in our training today. Now that we have returned to the table of contents, we can now move to selecting the areas of the property we wish to capture information about. Tap on the Areas of Scope button. Now in the Areas of Scope page, choose the areas where you will be taking photos, drawing a diagram and taking notes, either dictated or typed on your device. And don't worry, if you leave an area out, you can always return to this page. Only the areas you choose will show up in the table of contents when you return to the table of contents. Please note there are 3 other room areas that can be used for rooms not listed in the group of the most commonly used room names, and water mitigation equipment can be itemized within its own area. In this training session we will be working with the structure and the basement on a small water loss. We will add the structure and the basement to areas that we are going to inspect. Just find the area to be included and tap on the checkbox. So I am checking the checkbox for structure, and then for the basement. I will tap on Close to return to the table of contents. Let us begin with the structure. Tap on Structure. We are looking at the top of the structure area we chose. There is room for 4 photos in each area. To begin, tap Capture Image. The lighter space below each capture image is to place notes about the photo. You have a choice to take a new photo or use an image you had taken previously if the image is on this device. If you do not have a photo already taken for this room or area on your device, click on No. After tapping on No, your device's camera will be started on your device. The camera should operate as normal. After tapping on Saving the image, we are returned to the structure page. Tap on the Photo 1 description text box and you can type or use your device's voice recognition. We are now ready to go to the basement, where the work is at. We need to return to the table of contents. Tap on Close to return to the table of contents. Back at the table of contents we will tap on the basement. Notice that only the 2 rooms we selected are showing up on the table of contents. If you need to add an additional room, you can return to the Areas of Scope to add the additional rooms. As we now are in the basement area, remember we can add 4 photos. Make a drawing of the room. I recommend you use a stylus for your device, or you can use your fingertip. Let us take 1 photo of the basement. Back to the top of this page, tap on Capture Image. Then if the image is not on your device, tap on No. Take the photo using your device's camera. Fill the text box describing the photo by typing or using your device's voice recognition capability. Or write Picasso. Let us draw a fingertip diagram of the room. Remember, I told you not to forget your stylus. You are correct. It's not pretty, but all the information is there. We can now move on to the details of the inspection. I am typing in the details of my inspection using the device's keyboard. I can also use voice recognition. I find it more accurate and easy while wearing a Bluetooth headset. As an alternative, I can write handwritten notes. Go to the end of the page, tap on Handwritten Notes button and begin writing your notes. Type on close when you are done with your notes. We have completed the photos, diagram, and notes for the basement. We are now returning to the table of contents. Tap on the close button. Our inspection is complete. We now are ready to submit our inspection. We will now tap on the done button. Once submitted, the inspection report cannot be edited. Confirm you are ready to submit your inspection report by tapping on yes. After the inspection report has been submitted, tap on the orange area and synchronize the application. During the beta testing, your PDF summary of your inspection will be delivered to your email box within 2 hours. After the beta testing, you will receive your PDF report in less than 3 minutes. If you happened onto our video and would like more information about the Android or iPad application, please contact me at info@xactimatewriter.com. Cheers, and have a productive day.